I am making a short video to give my potential tenants an idea of what is going on and what a wonderful unit and apartment awaits them in San Diego, California. This is the front door. Let's start with it. We go around, we go to the storage room, the door to the master bedroom, a beautiful laminate floor, and an exit to the balcony overlooking the courtyard. A wonderful courtyard decorated with greenery where gardeners work. A fan overhead. We go out to the balcony, the mosquito net moves aside and we are on the balcony. Here is the view from the balcony. Flowers, palm trees, this courtyard, this is our courtyard. All this is under strict security and security. No strangers will get there. We go back to the living room. This is the living room. This is our living room. We go to the master bedroom. My reflection in the mirror, a mirrored closet. All the storage rooms with mirrored doors. We enter the master bedroom. Mirrored doors of the storage room. Storage rooms up to the ceiling, by the way. Lighting. We enter the master bedroom. Spacious. The floor is the same. Fan. Lighting. Window to the yard. Another storage room already in the master bedroom. Inside, 2 floors of storage room. We open it. A safe is built into the floor, with a secret lock of increased complexity. From the master bedroom there is an entrance to a personal bathroom. Here is a fenced shower, toilet, mirrors, lighting. Everything is in place. Everything is there. Reflection in the mirror. We go to the second bedroom located on the other side of the living room, 2 private bedrooms. On the way is the kitchen. On the right side is the kitchen, drawers, storage rooms, a new microwave, a new stove, a new refrigerator and a new dishwasher. This kitchen. We go further to the second bedroom. On the way is the second bathroom with a toilet on the right side. We turn on the light. There is a ladder. We will remove it later. A bath, a toilet. Lighting is a bath with a shower. Storage room again. To the ceiling we go into the second bedroom. A window to the courtyard. Storage room. Mirrored doors of the storage room to the ceiling. The top floor has a night light. It works from a switch. We turn it off and on. A window to the courtyard. We look out the window. A mosquito net. Now we will move the curtains. A view of the flower garden. Everything is quiet. The internal layout of the apartment creates peace and quiet. A great place for work, for entertainment, for reflection, and for study. We return back to the living room, private bath, kitchen, living room. There is a master bedroom. This is a general view. This is what the apartment I am offering you looks like. I lived there myself once and now I rent it out to good people. This is what fans are in each room.